Hey folks, Rob from Michigan here, and I just want to give you a quick tour of my GenStone project this summer. Each section took approximately a day or day and a half. I broke it up into different smaller groups and slowly removed vinyl siding in each section, and then went ahead and applied the GenStone according to the specifications. Some things that I did probably a little bit different is instead of just using left and right returns, I actually used full outside corners. I cut them back to 6 inches so I'd have a little overlap to give some depth to the project so that it gives it that real stone look. Since my house was built 30 years ago, I didn't want to try to risk putting this much real stone due to the weight and then worried about foundation issues. I highly recommend that if you're going to do a GenStone project to take a look at some of the different projects online. And like someone else said that I noticed, is it's definitely worth the additional money to buy their trim and things like that for windows and doorways. It really sets off your project compared to using just J-channel when you have a combination of vinyl siding. I used the GenStone ledgers around my window, trim above. Because I knew I was doing shutters, I didn't go ahead and hide pieces of trim behind shutters because it didn't quite make sense to me. So, and there you have it. So, good luck.